Hey y'all, your girl is back on YouTube. Today is New Year's Eve. I might post this on New Year's Day, probably the next day, I don't know, but most likely I'll post it on New Year's. Today I did this glittery glam look today. I didn't think that I'll be doing glitter on my eyes. I really don't like putting glitter on my eyes that much. I mean, it looks bomb or whatever, but just taking it off is just, it's just a hassle. Okay, so first we are going to start with our transition colors. I'm going to go into a brown shade and I'm going to use the 39 I'm going to use the 39L palette, and this palette has a whole lot of browns in it, so I have to swatch a whole lot of them. So I'm going to be digging into this shade right here. Just apply this on my lid area, and I want it to be semi-pigmented, so I'm going to just go right here and just pat it on. I'm packing this brown shade right here because I am going to make a cut crease, and I like to make a mark, like a really dark mark, so I know where to stop my cut crease at. So I'm just going to make it very pigmented at the end of my eyes. Okay, so what I like to do is put some concealer on my brush, and this brush is from Amazon. I'll have it in the description. So I'll put the concealer right here on the lowest part of my lid, and I just, ooh, high. I really don't like big creases. Okay, we're gonna have to work with this today. Now that I have the points where I'm gonna make my crease, we'll kind of draw it in. I'm gonna make a line right here, and then I'm just going to connect it. Next palette that I'll be digging into is the Morphe 35N palette, and I'll be going into this gold shade. I've used this palette a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go into this gold shade right here. When I'm finished putting the gold on my eyes, I'm gonna go into this glitter. This gold glitter that I got from Amazon, and then I'm also going to use this eyelash glue so I can attach the glitter on my I'm done with applying the glitter on my eyes. I'm going to go into that brown shade that we were digging in before and apply it at the corners of this because you want it to kind of build in a little bit. I'm going to start with my eyelashes now. So my eyelash prep usually consists of mascara and this lash accelerator, and this is from Rimmel London. Both of these are from Rimmel London, as you can see. Okay, now I'm about to start my foundation. The foundation that I'm using today is the Avon Magic 6 foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Like the liquid foundation because I could just put it on and it can blend with like no time, but like a stick foundation I have to like continue to blend and 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 blend. But if there's any stick foundations that you can like blend real quick, comment down below. Now, so since this foundation is a little bit kind of too dark, I'm going to go into the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee and just highlight my face. I'm going to highlight my cheeks, my little nose, and my little chin. Okay, now it's time to contour my face. So the contour palette that I'll be using today is the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. And then I'm going to go into the shade Sculpt for my cheeks. And then I'm going to go into the contour shade. So tell me why I forgot to bake. This is so on me, I promise. So the loose powder that I'll be using today is the Banana Deep Powder from Revolution. It's kind of like a yellow kind of thing. But oh my gosh, I cannot forget. I forgot to bake. Oh no. So I'm going to just put this on my cheeks and my chin. So what I did off camera was put this highlighter shade in the corner of my eye right here. This is the shade that I use. It's kind of like a white shade, but you can use any shade that you want to for your inner eye. And now I'm going to go in and apply my lip gloss. This is the lip gloss from MAC. That concludes this video. I hope you all like it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.